kids, today I am going to teach you chapter 13 A and the of your English grammar book. Do you remember? I have already explained this topic to you in the chapter Partho the Park Keeper. So students, I am going to put that clip again in this video to give you a quick recap. After that, we will do the exercises. Vowels and consonants. A, E, I, O, U. These all are vowels. And the remaining letters are consonants like B, C, D, etc. Now let us compare the articles a and an. We use a before words which begin with consonants. Consonants I already told you before, like B, C, D, F, etc. For example, a doctor, a big car, a girl. We use an before words which begin with vowels. That is, which begins with A, E, I, O, U. For example, an apple, an interesting film. Next, let's compare article a or an and the. We usually use a or an with a noun to talk about a person or thing for the first time. Like a CD player. Here we are talking about the CD player for the first time. That is why we have used the article a. We usually use the when we talk about the person or thing again. The CD player that Mary bought. Here we have used the article the because we are talking about the CD player that Mary bought. Students, you can understand all these things better by an animated video that will be played after this.
When do we say a dog and when do we say the dog? Do we ever say and dog? We use a and an before the names of things we talk about for the first time. We use a before a consonant sound and an before a vowel sound. Vowel sounds are the sounds that the letters A, E, I, O, U make. Therefore, we say a banana, a guava, an apple, and an orange. We say a horse. However, when we say R, it's pronounced as R. This is a vowel sound. Therefore, we say an R. We use the before the names of things we know already. We say, Mother packed me a sandwich. I ate the sandwich for lunch. We say, I saw a tiger and an elephant at the zoo. The elephant was really big. We say, the moon is shining brightly, as we know that there is only one moon. A, an, and the are called articles.
Students, let us now do the book exercises. Let's see the first exercise given on page number 46. Read these naming words aloud. Circle the words which start with vowels and underline the words which start with consonants. So let us see the first word aunt. Aunt is starting with a vowel, so we will circle it. See the second word. The second word is doll. Doll is starting with D. Students, is D a vowel or a consonant? Yes, D is a consonant. So we are going to underline this word. Let's see the next word. Ink. Ink is starting with I. And you already know that I is a vowel. So you are going to circle this word. Apply the same concept in this exercise of vowels and consonants. An. We use an before words starting with a vowel sound. Examples: an ice cream, an elephant, an umbrella. We use a before words beginning with a consonant sound. Examples: a clown, a flower, a pear. Watch out. You can see one box given and it is written that it is correct to say an apple and it is incorrect to say an apples because we use a or an only with singular nouns. Okay? Always keep this in mind that with singular nouns only you are going to use the article a or an. Okay? Let us see the next exercise given on page number 47. Exercise A. Look at the pictures and write the names of the objects with a or an before them. See, the first one is already done for you. A cup. See the second one. Second one, you can see second picture is of arrow. Before arrow, we are going to write an because arrow is starting with a and a is giving us a vowel sound. Also a is a vowel. So we have used an before arrow. So in the blank we have written an arrow. Similarly, the third one, picture is of umbrella and umbrella is starting with U. U is a vowel. That is why we have used the article an. So the answer is an umbrella. See the next one. Picture is of cake and cake is starting with a consonant C. That is why the answer will be a cake. Okay? Next is picture of an egg. You can see an egg is starting with vowel E. So we have written an egg. Last picture is of tree and tree is starting with consonant T. That is why we have used a before tree. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Number 1. Meera eats an apricot after lunch. Students, in this exercise, see the word that is given just after the blank. And in the first sentence, apricot is given just after the blank. And apricot is starting with A. A is vowel. So we have used the article an before apricot. Okay? See the next one. Mother gifted Susan a red dress. Again we are going to see the word written just after the blank. And the word is red. Red is starting with R. R is consonant. That is why we have used the article a. See the third one. We saw a beautiful painting. The word that is given just after the blank is beautiful. Beautiful is starting with B. And B is a consonant. So we have used a in the blank. Okay? Try to do rest of the questions in this exercise by yourself. The. We use the to talk about a particular thing or person. Students, remember one thing here. We also use the with these naming words. You can see. We say the sky, the earth, the moon, the Ganga, the Narmada, the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal, the Sun Temple. So, before these naming words, like before planets, before rivers, before monuments, okay, we are going to use the before them because they are particular only. Okay, there is no other thing like them. There is no other river like Ganga. So we are using the before Ganga because there is only one river like Ganga. Okay. Students, watch out. We do not use a, an, and the before the special names of people. We do not say the Jack. We do not say a China. Okay, so remember this. Before proper nouns or before special names, we are not going to use articles. Okay, students. Now we are going to see exercise C. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. First one. I have a friend. Her name is Swati. Here we have used a because after the blank, friend is there. And friend is starting with F. So we have used a here. Okay. Number 2. He saw a ghost last night. Number 2 is same as number 1. Okay. Ghost is starting with G and G is a consonant. So we have used a in the blank. Number 3. Rupa is baking a pizza. Now here just after the blank pizza is there and pizza is starting with P and P is a consonant. So we have used a in the blank. Number 4. Dash goats are grazing in the field. Students, here we will use the. Okay, as I told you before that we are never going to use a or an with plurals. We always use article a or an with singular nouns. That is why here the will come. The goats are grazing in the field. Number 5. We are going to watch a film because just after the blank film is given and film starts with F. F is a consonant. So we have used the article a. Number 6. The children are playing happily. Just after the blank, children is there. And I have already explained you that children is a plural noun. And with plural noun, we never use article a or an. We always use article the before such nouns. So we have written the here. Okay. Number 7. I saw an iceberg floating on the sea. Here, just after the blank, iceberg is written. And iceberg starts with I. I is a vowel. That is why we have used an article here. Okay? And the last one, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Just after the blank, apple is there. Apple is starting with a vowel, that is A. That is why we have used the article an here. Try to do it by yourself, student. This exercise is appearing to be bit complicated, but it is not. It is very easy if you have understood all the concepts well. Okay? Now let us see the last exercise D. Fill in the blanks with correct words. Number 1. There is a spider on the wall. A is going to come because here we are talking about the spider for the very first time, and also spider is starting with S. S is consonant. That is why we have used a article here. After full stop, you can see that again we are talking about spider. When for the second time we are talking about the same thing, so we usually use the article the. See the second one. I have a new bicycle. Here we have used a because we are talking about bicycle for the first time. And in the second sentence, when we are talking about bicycle for the second time, then we have used the article the. Thank you so much, students. Hope you understood this chapter well.